Welcome to our channel. If you received your Wells Fargo rewards card and want to activate it and start claiming points, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Locate the activation sticker on your new Wells Fargo rewards card, which includes activation instructions and a phone number. Step 2. Call the activation phone number provided on the sticker, typically found on the front of your card. Step 3. Follow the automated prompts and enter your card number when requested. Step 4. Provide any additional verification information, such as your social security number, date of birth, or zip code. Step 5. Once your card is activated, sign the back of your card immediately for security purposes. Step 6. Visit the Wells Fargo website or download the Wells Fargo mobile app to register your online account if you haven't already. Step 7. Log in to your Wells Fargo online account using your username and password. Step 8. Navigate to the Rewards section or Rewards dashboard in your account menu. Step 9. Review your rewards balance and explore the available redemption options, such as cashback, travel, gift cards, or merchandise. Step 10. Select the rewards you want to claim and follow the prompts to redeem your points. Step 11. Monitor your account regularly to track points earned on purchases and take advantage of bonus point opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.